We're not going to allow the baby to sleep or have his pre-op checks before a surgery that's scheduled in that can't be changed. Well, it can be changed.
I think, so baby needs as much rest as possible so that he can...
Excuse me, what are you doing?
Yeah. No, don't do that, boys. Hey, don't do it.
Please don't do it.
Hey,
we're talking about the surgery.
you guys are criminals. You are criminals. You are conducting a criminal act here.
So with the pre-op check, it needs to happen before the surgery.
Hey,
It won't happen tomorrow.
we've been talking to you like rational people, and now you're just removed. You guys are, you are criminals. You.
Oh my God! How can you do this? Oh my God!
You
Get out of my way! Get out of my way!
Hey,
Please get out!
guys, move out. Move out the way.
I need to see
You guys are acting like criminals.
We're just.
You are acting like criminals. All of you are criminals.
Hey
guys, calm down, please.
We need this operation.
You are criminals. You are a criminal. You are a criminal. And you are a criminal. And so are you. And so are you.
Can you guys just give them some space, please?
You are a criminal.
Okay.
You will not be part of the surgery tomorrow. We do not authorise any of that.
I just want to tell you what's happening.
No, we're not listening to what you got to say.
Why did you do that? He's going to be okay.
No, he is not going to be okay.
And we need to take him for his okay. We need to take him and we need to do
You
the
are
workup.
criminals.
You will be able to see him after the surgery. We're
You
gonna
guys
take him
are
for the
criminals.
surgery.
You are going to be recorded in the annals of time as criminals who come in here and take babies from their mothers.
We need to be able to do their tests.
Do you understand that? Do you guys are even listening to me? Do you understand that you have just kidnapped a baby from its mother without the consent of their parents? You guys have got to understand that you're criminals.
Yes, and we need to
I
do the
understand,
surgery. And
but you can't just take my baby like that.
You guys are criminals. You've
Please,
got to realise
I
that
need
you are
to
now
be with
involved in a criminal
Did you not
action.
see his eyes? Did you not see his eyes?
Sorry. We need to do the operation so that.
No, you do not need to do the operation.
We do need to do.
No, you do not.
Jude, please, can I just go down with him?
Hey, we can give you some time in here.
Hey, we don't need any time. You guys are criminals.
Shush, please, excuse me. I just need to be.
You guys need to get out.
Shush, please,
I'm listening to you.
No, you're not.
please.
You're not listening.
You can't do that. I just need to be with him. I will go with him. You can do what you need to do, but I need to be with him because he needs to be with his mother. Please.
Mate, show your humanity.
Please,
Show your manness.
Please. I just need to.
We will talk to the hospital staff, okay? Now,
Hey, what good's that going to do?
Shush, shush, shush. You can't just rip him out of the bed like that, please.
the
Disgusting behaviour.
hospital staff has taken the baby for the pre-operation checks, okay?
Against our will.
Shush, shush.
That is in line with the order of the High Court, and they're doing what they need to do now tonight
I just
for the
need
operation tomorrow.
I just need to be next to him, please.
It's not.
Please.
We're prepared to work with you in that, but
Thank you.
we really need to.
Shush, shush.
We need to be able to converse like we are
Okay,
now.
can I just be there with him? You can do all of that stuff, but I need to be there with him.
Yeah, and that's something we can negotiate with the hospital.
Okay,
for you.
let's do it.
But
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, but listen, but in terms of what's going on, hey, look, know that I'm a parent too, and I don't pretend to know what you're going through at the moment. But I can't imagine that what you're thinking at the moment and what you're going through.
If any of you were real men, you wouldn't have conducted yourself like this.
She's going to see if she can get you with her. Just
Yeah.
okay.
Real men don't act like this.
Sit down. Sit
Are
down.
you guys like hearing what I'm saying?
down, Sam.
Real men don't act like what you've just acted like.
She's going to see what she can do.
Let's have an intelligent conversation. Trying insults isn't going to work.
Hey, I'm not insulting you. I'm telling you the truth.
Honestly, that's lucky.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah, and like I said, we're prepared to work with you to make that happen.
But you
Please,
weren't.
can we just go now then?
You weren't prepared to work with us from the very beginning.
You can't go to where they've gone right now.
Why not?
Sam, she's
They're just, we
talking.
will talk through it, okay?
You know that nurse is crying too because you know this is so wrong.
Know that everyone involved and everyone in this room is upset about the situation. I don't want to be here as much
Well,
as
you don't have to be
You
here.
fucking badger. That's what you need to be doing.
Yeah.
Standing on this side. It's
Yeah.
fucking ridiculous.
Hey
You
guys,
need to chuck your badger. and
you hand it
stand
in
with
right
us.
now and you'll have some decency inside you. Walk out the door and you show what you are.
It's okay, we just need to be next to him. Oh. I can't believe I just went to bed.
You knew that was going to happen. They got no humanity. So let's go down there.
No, just wait. I don't want to. I just need. Darling, just let me just go down there. I just need to be next to him. Okay.
Just stay here. The nurse is going to see what she can do. Can you just... I know that's real hard. Do it this one so you can...
No.
Sam, it's not going to get anything. The cop just said that it will, because I said chuck your badge in and come on our side, we will fundraise for you because he's got a family to feed. And I said, I promise you we will get you enough money. He said he's going to do better, him staying in that job. So I hope it does mean something.
Well, it doesn't.
Not right now, but let's just hope he comes through.
These men are acting like subhumans. Hey, well, everyone, I don't know where this goes to around the world, but, our baby has just been medically kidnapped. Thugs have come in wearing police uniforms and they've ripped the baby out of his bed and violently taken him out of the room. They've threatened to arrest us all if we even pursue our baby. So let this be a lesson to the entire rest of humanity, is the takeover has actually started, and it started in a hospital ward with a baby. So I could have tried to do something, but I would just be in handcuffs on the floor getting beaten right now. So I call on humanity to arise, because this is, you all know what's happening.